Good evening, world. It is 7:33 p.m. on my clock, at least Eastern time. It is Tuesday today, I think. And right now, I want to continue working on my applications, which are going to help you get promoted, which will make you more productive at your job, and which will help you to highlight your value to your boss and to your employer. Right now, I am finishing up with my intro. Intro meaning intro applications, because both of them I actually did for myself in the first place, and they will help me at my job, and they will also help me to create new tools and new applications faster and faster. So, the first one is Vox, which helps you to transcribe everything much better. Um, Sorry, not much better. Shit. Yeah. The issues of live stream, you cannot cut out what you misspoke or something like that. So the Vox help you to transcribe what you're talking. So instead of typing, you can just speak and it will transcribe it. It will actually polish it and you can just send it. And why it is very big game changer, because speaking is actually 3 times faster than just typing. It's scientifically proven that in general people type 50 words per minute, while generally people speak 150 words per minute. So with this, I'm going to finish talking about Vox. And I want also to talk about Neuro Mind, which I will rename soon just to Mind. And the main goal of the mind is to be something in between of the notes and the notion. With this, for example, I myself have a lot of great ideas in shower, just during the day, when I woke up or going to sleep and cannot fall asleep for a couple of hours. And basically, I put all of these ideas, thoughts into my notes application. But the problem is that sometimes I do not return to them for a couple of days, weeks, even sometimes in months. And then when I remember about this and when I want to go back to them, I start scrolling through my notes application, looking for it. I cannot find it because it was a part of some other application. I'm doing search. Search is not working good. So yeah, basically my notes is a mess. And I'm sure that I'm not the only one. Um, at the same time, I know about great tools like Notion, Jira, Trello, and a lot of other tools which help you track your tasks progress. But honestly, they are too complicated to use for something like some random idea, which might be good, might not be good, I don't know. So that's why I built something in between. It's basically a tool which can uh, help you easily create mind map of your thoughts, of your ideas. And the main point is that you are kind of not allowed to go into too many details there. You can just create kind of title of the idea and then maybe subtasks, but again titled without going into big description. So basically, you just put some keywords so then you can remember. And then if you want to turn it into a bigger project, then you can start Notion, Jira, and all of other things. And speaking about it, I noticed that I don't have music enabled. Again, issues of the live stream. So now we have music and you can't hear it because I have one settings which I need to apply. Okay, and now you can hear the music. And for some reason, honestly, it's too loud, at least for me. So I will lower the volume and it should be much better for you. At least it's better for me, definitely. And I'm not sure about you. Okay, now let's go to development. So first of all, actually, I want to start checking BRB. And this is one I didn't talk through because this application is not going to help you. I created this application just for fun, for myself, because I started streaming and I noticed that I want to go to the restroom, but I have no idea what to show on my screen, basically to let know people who will join when I'm out that they should wait for a couple of minutes. So I wanted to do something like be right back timer, but I also wanted to make it entertaining to the viewers. So let's see the latest version. Let's first of all go through changes. What did I ask it to do? Okay, so actually the last change was just enough to update the relevant memory files. So what memory updated, okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, so it is cloud MD, but what about the memory MD? Where did it put memory? Because if it saved it into the big memory, like global memory of the code, then from Moon, certain focus BRB addition engagement over safety. What's Moon? Can I open it? Okay. So, no idea. Okay, whatever. But I want just to double check that BRB is working good, that everything is okay. And I will also run my favorite Mozilla Firefox, which I'm using only during streams because, of course, in my day-to-day life I use Chrome. But here in Mozilla it's fresh browser for me, I'm not logged in anywhere, so yeah, we have what we have. And let me type hi lol. Okay, we have message, we have timer, and we have some guy which runs, jumps, slides, and hopefully it can serve as, let me move it here, as a good distraction for my viewers, at least when I have them. Okay. So yeah, I think that it works actually good. So I will just close it. I am completely happy with how this app is currently right now, so I'm not going to do anything else for it. Now, and what this means is that I'm going to completely close it, but first let's think, because I also want to create a potentially a landing page. Maybe it would be good to do it here. Okay, let me think. So basically what I want to do, I want to create a big general landing page which will combine Vox with Mind and with other my future ideas. So what am I going to do? Let's see, about my limits. Yeah, okay, I used, yes, that is fine. Week limit, I am... Okay, I don't even want to talk about it because weekly limits are crazy. They're just burning like crazy, but that is okay. So should I just create a new repo, one more repo? Oh my god. I'm tired of creating new repositories, so honestly. Let's see. So if I go to okay, I close Firefox completely. I will go to GitHub. I will create new. I will call it Elevate, because this is going to be the big brand name basically. And let's actually go to Vercel.com. And let's see, let's see all my projects in Vercel. And let's actually go through domains. And I want to try and see what we have for Elevate. Of course, .com is unavailable. Accountants there. Oh my god. Actor. Let's see elevate.com. Who has it? Good today, better tomorrow. Elevate was fun. Oh my god. Okay, honestly, I don't understand what they are doing. So, okay. Should I name it Job Elevate? It's a good question. Should I name it Job Elevate? Let's see. Camera, cab, casino, catering, buildings, bargains, attorney, Archie. Elevate cheapo. Lol. Dating, delivery, dentist, degree, coupons, condos. Elevate domains, it's thanks. Elevate engineer, elevate equipment, elevate exposed, whale fish. Gripe. Okay, what if I use get elevate? Ah, interesting. Get elevate.com. After Nick. It's for sale, but you have to. GoDaddy. So basically, it's available, but it's available only on GoDaddy. Okay, if I check use elevate. Are you serious? Like, it is not used by anyone, but it is not available to buy. Like, what the heck? Come on. .net space use get job elevate. Are you serious? Job elevate also not available? That's it? Oh my god. Job elevate studio, tag space. Okay, so I think that I will start talking to chat here. New chat. Yeah, I actually think that Sonnet should be fine here. Hey Claude, so I want to create basically general landing page for all of my businesses or actual applications which are focused on helping people get job, preserve their job, be more productive at their job, and get promotions and salary increases and all of that. My first application is Vox, which is dedicated for transcription. Basically, it's competitor to Whisperflow. My second application is application which helps users to create mind maps, something in between regular notes and Notion. I wanted to name my this general landing page Elevate, but now when I check domain names, I see that elevate.com is busy, use elevate is busy, get elevate is busy. So can you either check, or if you can check, at least come up with some other ideas for the domain name and name itself? Thank you. Okay, I don't know why, but music is very, very loud for me. I saw that. Use elevate.com and get elevate. Uh-huh. Okay, can I... Okay, use elevate. Oh, okay. Elevate. Okay. So while this one is syncing, now I want to go to shoot, and I created a repo. Okay, I didn't create yet. Okay, good. Because I know that repo name is not a lot, but still. Like, I can go with job elevate up, but elevate.app quotes to elevate life, love, and success. Oh my god. Okay, so basically what it means that I can just open here new session, and for now Vox, okay, I don't care about Vox for now. I will do it off the live stream because it's a lot to do there, and also it has some private keys and all of that, so yeah. Okay, so Vox landing, what did I ask it to do? I wanted to fix a few small additional things. First of all, I see that in the for teams, in the pursuit canceling time section, there is a most teams up. Okay, so I remember this one. A separate improvement in the top navigation. I see that there is a current page selected. Okay, so it's about navigation. Okay. Visit teams. Let's see. All clean. Most teams will no longer clip. Navigation bar active plus hover states. Okay, okay, okay. So let's run npm run dev and let's see how our Vox landing behaves. Where is it? Here it is. Let's see. And meanwhile, I also want to post a small message to chat that every 5 likes I am doing 5 push-ups. So you should like if you want me to suffer or get fit, maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Get shareable link. I will open it. I am doing it on my other screen, so you are not seeing me doing anything at all. 5 likes. Oh my god, and I am in the wrong account right now. Let me change the account. And here we go. 5 likes equal 5 push-ups. Bam. And also pin message. Message pinned. Nice. Let's see. What else do I have? What else do I have? I wanted to check run Vox landing, and I have already started. Okay, I have already forgot about it. And I will go to my Firefox. Okay. That matter. Okay, hover states. Okay, hover states are there. They are good. I like them. Is it properly centered? Yeah, it is fine. Okay, this one is good. Everything is good. And if I go to 4 teams, what is included? Okay, most teams here. So this one was fixed too. Okay, nice. So it is nice. And now let's see. So I will just stop Vox landing. I will wipe commit. Implement thread safe. Oof. It is actually it's the wrong project. I wanted to wipe commit landing page. Vox landing. And time saved calculator. Yes, yes, yes. And sync changes. Okay. Okay, and what it means? It means that I can close Vox landing like this. Let's see what we have next. We have also Neuro Mind. Okay, so today I think that after I review this part and after I maybe kick off the building of the landing page for my global elevator, maybe some other name, then I want to start making videos because I want to make some posts to LinkedIn and the other social media. So let's see, what did I ask? Oh, let me move it. Okay. It should be better. What did I ask you to do? How? A lot of context used, but that is okay. What I also wanted to improve is that after the latest changes, I see that landing in light mode also has this grain. I don't like it. The landing page itself shouldn't have any grain. I remember this. Want to improve the name because okay, and change from Neuromind to just Mind. And after it did all of this, update Cloud MD and Design MD. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Ah, music stopped. Okay, music is here again. Let's see, land in an Atlas Light. Summary, grain scope to the editor. Okay, brand name renamed, Neuromind to Mind. Okay. Documentation updated. Okay. So we can test npm run dev. Let's go, baby. I don't like this music. I will call the next one. Okay, moving in the shadows. Okay. Oop. We are going to move in the shadows then. Let's verify that Neuromind works fine too. Okay, I don't see any grain here. So it looks more or less good. Okay. Let's scroll through Atelier 2. Okay. Let's double check dark mode. Yes. Okay, 3 to 7 subparts. Sketch its parts. Okay. And let's also check dark mode of Atlas. Okay, I like it. I very like it. Motion friendly. On this press proof. Self-post friendly. I think I need to remove this block, but okay. I will do it sometime later. Let's see. What did I want? I wanted also to double check the app itself. Okay, so dark mode looks more or less not actually very nice, but light mode, I don't know. For some reason. Okay, actually, I don't know who is going to use light mode, honestly. I myself is a dark mode guy, and I believe that most of the people are dark mode people. So we will see. This one works fine, this one works fine, and dark mode, everything works fine too. Yep. And cancel. Okay. Okay, so actually wait, I didn't editor mind, we have mind here, we have mind here. If I go to Atlas, we have mind. Okay, nice. So I think that Neuro Mind, we are more or less done. Generate. And commit and sync changes. Nice. And I want to drink some water. And now, honestly, I have this a big problem, which basically most of people like me face, engineers, builders, that they are excited about something, they are building it, doing it, and then when they're basically done, they just stop and move to something else. So what I mean to say is that Vox is working amazing right now. It is ready for production, it is ready for users. Neuromind is also works fine. And I'm at the stage when I'm not that excited about these two particular apps anymore, and I want just to move to new apps, because to finally move them to production, I need to do a lot of things. So for Neuromind, I need to add integration with Stripe, obviously, and Market. But for Vox, I also need to figure out Apple developer setup, sign in the application, and all of that crazy. I don't want to say that word. Also, I need to again set up Stripe, verify that everything works fine, set up emails, and oh my god, it's hard. But actually, but I'm going to do it because I am not allowed actually to stop, because otherwise I will. So yeah, if you're wondering what I'm doing with my hand, I accidentally triggered my camera, which has AI in it, fortunately or unfortunately. So yeah, so what I was saying, that I will do it, because otherwise not everything doesn't make any sense for me to keep working. Nevermind, I committed, I pushed, and yeah, I need to kick off this Elevate or something like that. Shoot, I was very excited about Elevate name, but now it looks like I will have to come up with something else. But maybe I will use Sibyl, the name of my previous application. One of my previous applications, actually. But Elevate sounded good, and it was obvious from the name that something is going to kind of elevate you, make you better. We'll see, okay, we'll see. Let's also see, so this Vox I need, because I keep postponing it, but I will need it. Let's go to chat and let's see. Let me check some domain availability directly in the browser. Oh, that's nice. Gemini wasn't able to do that. A few of the most promising names via search instead, then give you a solid shortlist. Good enough research. I have a solid picture now. The browser tool didn't connect, so I can't do real-time availability lookup, but based on my searches, I can give you a well-reasoned shortlist with clear notes on what definitely taken versus likely available. Let me put this together clearly. Was confirmed taken. Ascend, use Ascend HQ, multiple companies, including an HR, insurance platform Upward, multiple companies, Elevo, French HR, performance platform at Elevo FR. Okay, but what about Elevo, not FR, but something else? Okay, here it is. Yeah. From. Like, they are not in use, but they are not available. Thrive.com, Beauty Tech and Psychology App, Propel, Stride, Thrive, Springboard, all claimed by established companies. Okay. Levanta sounds nice, but the problem is that no one is going to understand. Like, from Spanish, Levanta, like, yes, but no. Aloha. Oh, it was the last song. Let me open the next page and play it. Okay, so this one called Blue Screen of Death, this music, and I don't like Blue Screen of Death. Distrust the system. Okay, this one is good. Now let me do a few tweaks, but actually let me also double check if there are any messages to the chat and something like that. And if I go to live room control, okay, I don't see anything, so it is fine. Let's see. Nexent, Alevo, crisp model, compress from Elevate. Okay, product family, try alevo.com. Nexent, Next plus Ascend. Nexent, Next plus Ascend, Nexent. Vantivo, Vantage plus Telvio, entirely coined, career plus elevation. Unclaimed. Work Vault, Vault jumping up, Rise. Ringer. Elvio, Clevate. Up level, I'm sure that up level is going to be taken for sure. Like, okay, let's try. Up level. Yeah. It is busy and Ryzen. Ryzen will also be busy, yeah. Which other name should I try? Work Vault, nope. Up level. Okay, so let's see again. Elevate.com is Elevate.com. Elevate.com by GoDaddy. No, it's a company. Shoot. Oh, my Vox is not running, so it wasn't triggered. Makes sense. And also I want to check light mode. Let's see. Okay, so I have a big problem. I like Elevate, but as we figured out, Elevate is taken. I also loved Up Level, but Up Level is taken too. I liked Ryzen, but Ryzen is taken too. And I don't really like anything else from what you propose. So maybe you can think about any additional details. So yeah, please come up with some additional ideas. Thank you. Okay, it is transcribing, it is polishing. Oh my god, I love my application which I built. Reason. It was like, yeah. What if reason? Reason.com. Like, offers under 1000 US are usually not considered. Are you serious? Like, come on. Rice is going to be definitely busy. Okay, let's see, what do I own? Maybe I can reuse something. Domains. Let's go to domains. Black Flower and no, not really. And get Sibyl, it is good for that particular application, but no. Okay, let's see, bye. Okay, this one is syncing. And meanwhile, let's also see about Clevate, but I don't honestly like Clevate, but let's see. Yeah, it is unavailable. Shoot, it seems that I will spend whole my evening and this stream just trying to come up with some proper name. It's crazy, honestly. But that's how it usually is. At the same time, what I also... Okay, so I also wanted to create videos, but actually I cannot create videos without having the name, my brand name. Because the brand name should be a part of the video. And also Vox, I think that Vox is going to be renamed either to Vox by Elevate, not Elevate, but yeah, or maybe Elevate Voice, which would be even better because it's more clear what it is about. Let's see. So this one is still working. Oh my god, it's working so long. Applicable Silvio Vantivo next send Alevo. I think that this one is going to be busy too. Okay, what if Ryzen use Ryzen? Use Ryzen. Use up level. Use up level. It is crazy. Why can't I move it? Okay. Interesting. Okay. Alevio. Latin, English, Whisper Flow. Okay, what if I call it Elevate Flow, but... But no, no. Because subproducts would be what? Elevate Flow Voice? No. And how Whisper Flow is, which is, what is their domain name? Whisper Flow, so it is one Whisper. And they mispronounced it because it should be like this. Okay, but they redirected. How Clay GTM team made. Okay, read the case study. Actually, because potentially I can use their case studies to actually market my application. Clay is a B2B software platform that helps revenue and go-to-market teams, blah blah blah. Okay. Faster customer response times, more customer calls per day. And how did they achieve it? Clay's go-to-market team juggles frequent contacts back-to-back, rapid outbound, real-time CRM, high-quality enablement, strict data, and compliance demands. Manual typing during demos and follow-ups slowed execution, increased context loss, and ate into selling hours. Clay needed a productivity boost that would be fast to adopt, compatible with their full tech stack, and meet enterprise-grade compliance standards. The solution using voice to accelerate every revenue workflow. Speaking prompts instead of typing them in demos. During live customer demos, the rep speaks prompts out loud instead of typing them. Demos are now faster, more conversational, more human. Writing faster, follow-up okay, instant handoff over Slack. In between demos, reps share context updates and next steps in Slack while it's fresh in their mind. Now there is instant handoff. Brain dumping into AI instead of manual drafting. For enablement docs, reps now brain dump directly into AI tools and refine the output into DAX docs. Okay. I can work with that. I can definitely work with that. And basically their pricing is annual $12 a month, but usually for enterprise it's more. It of course depends on the number of people, because if there are thousands of people then it would be less, but if there are not many, Okay, I want to leave case study here. And what if I remove it? Business. Okay, SOC 2 type 2 compliance, HIPAA compliance, ISO, blah blah blah, how flow, Clay. Okay, so it seems that they have only one case study. Shared dictionary, shared snippets, usage dashboards, plans and pricing. Yeah, they have only one case study. And each member time is worth $50 an hour. But actually, let's say average salary is in tech industry something like 100. Okay, is this a link? It's not a link. 80. Flow teams cost per month. What is this flow teams cost per month? Time saved per week. Yeah, I definitely need this screen like this. Okay, so what it means is that I will trigger, it's going to be Vox landing. It's going to be auto mode. I don't want to plan, I just want to go directly into auto mode. Okay. Hey Claude, I was browsing through Whisperflow landing page and I noticed their business page dedicated to explaining basically why they are a good choice for business, how they are saving money and all of that. And basically what I saw is that they also tie to money all of the times saved. So right now in our landing page we are only showing how much time is going to be saved, but I also want to tie it to money too. And also I want you to make sure that the salary is kind of proper average salary of US technology startup. So salary per hour. That would be it. Thank you. Okay. Here is the link to their page. Let's see. So we have team. So let's say 3 members. Okay, so it costs 36 because it is $12 per month. Okay, it makes sense. And time saved per week 3 hours. Let's actually check also calculations in my web page. Do I have it deployed? I don't remember. Let's see. Project Vox landing. Yes, I have it deployed. If I go to 4 teams, how many seats? Let's say 3. Okay, and what? Why does it not say? Okay, calculator. It is part of the home page or what? Yes. Three person. Okay, per day, per week 10 hours saved, while they claim time saved per week is 3 hours for 3 people. Interesting. Hey, the protagonist. Okay, so are you talking about this landing page? If you are talking about this landing page, then it was tricky. So, first of all, I was iterating through my application in general, and at some point of time, Cloud came up with this logo, basically the same as this one, and with these peach colors. Where is it? So peach color here, but it was also somewhere else. The problem of wipe coding is that I don't remember all places. But yeah, that happens. Okay, maybe it was nowhere else. Maybe somewhere in the onboarding, but okay, whatever. And basically, then my request was something like, let me actually open my first request, which was here. Basically, I want you to create a landing page folder. I also attached my application folder so that it would have context about my application and it would be able to understand what the application does. Then I asked it to use CEO skill. It's a skill I created. Basically, it forces this particular session to act as a CEO and do not do anything themselves, but to basically spin up other agents which will do some research, do some design, coding, review, and all of that. And also for the UI part, it's very crucial to have, let's see, can I find it? Front-end design, front-end. Interesting. It was supposed to be somewhere here. So basically there is also front-end design skill, which I'm not the one who created it. So if I go here, Claude front-end design skill, and here is a skill, and this skill really helps to create beautiful landing pages and all other UIs too. At least beautiful for me, because honestly I would never be able to create something like that. Yeah. And now let's go back to... where was it? This one. This one is still syncing. And now I need to come up with some domain name for my general wrapper, which is basically going to wrap all of my applications. This Vox application, which I may rename, also which may wrap Mind application. Oh, by the way, I think that you never saw Neuro Mind application. Let me see. Okay, it is running. So basically, it has two modes. One mode is very fancy mode called Atlas. Basically, what it does, it helps you. It creates something like how it's called, brain, not brain map. I forgot this word. But basically, you can put here your ideas, and then like try the demo. But it can be something else, like create new landing page, and then you can also add subtasks. But the main purpose of this is to be something between regular Notes application and Notion. Because I noticed for myself that Notes application is not enough for me. I lose their information quite a lot, or just forget. And Notion or Trello or Jira is too complex for this particular use case. Basically, from the fancy stuff, it creates some real constellations. So, for example, if I add some random subtasks, it will change to different constellations, like Cassiopeia. Let me Google Obsidian, maybe. Actually, I believe that Obsidian, actually, I don't know. Maybe. Honestly, I never looked into it. Yeah, when I was looking into this, building this thing, I never looked into competitors, direct competitors. Okay, what it does. But for Obsidian, okay, sync, publish, yearly, monthly. I don't want to pay $5 a month. I want to spend 2 weeks building it and have it for free. But actually, let's see. I want now to double check what it does. Okay, so it's notes, and then general note, and then some kind of graph. Your mind is unique. Your knowledge should last. Oh, I see. Then maybe I should have just used Obsidian. But like, it happens. But honestly, I think that Obsidian would have been also overkill for my particular use case, because it also allows to add description and all of that. Like, I'll look into this later. I'll put it somewhere here and look into it sometime in the future. So it connects, yeah, as I said, creates some constellations. So it's fancy, very fancy, but at some point of time I understood that it may not be usable for users at all. So I have also added kinda atelier mode, which is more business focused or founder focused. Just some tasks, but again, you can zoom in into them and you can see some subtasks, move them around and something like that. And again, even when you open Node from the left side, it also just zooms in. And you can only change titles, basically. That was my main goal, to have basically just keyword thoughts, and that's it, without spending half an hour into describing what I want to do. Okay, so let's see. I don't need this one. What I wanted to do. For teams, time saved. Interesting. It's very interesting because from my research, for 3-person team, it should be saved 10 hours per week. But Whisperflow claims that they save only 3 hours. Which is kinda interesting. But at the same time, okay, I don't want to do any math late in the evening, even if it's simple math. So we have 3 hours times 5 days, 15 times $50 an hour, 750. Oh, it's per week. Yeah, my bad. 3 hours times, let's say 4, and times 50. So it seems that something is definitely wrong with their math. But like, okay, whatever. Okay, let's go back to the hard part, to looking for a URL name for the domain name. Excellence in strengths, Forte. I'm sure as hell that Forte is taken. Okay. Okay, let's reload the page. Yes, Forte is taken, expected. Valor is also going to be taken, I don't want to even check it. Metal, I don't like it, and it's also taken. Burnish something is up. Owned. I think it's going to be taken, but yeah, it is taken. Yeah, I know, but you know, hope dies last. I also thought about something like adding use or get at the start of the domain. And initially I really wanted to have elevate like this, because it would make a lot of sense for my kind of ecosystem. But it is busy, and then when I tried use elevate, ooh. What? Oh, that's because I put A here instead of E. Yeah, now it... What if this one? Yeah, this one is also busy. Okay, so I want to find at least one maybe name which I will really like and add use at the start. Top rise, top plus rise. What do you mean nobody has this? I'm sure that someone fucking has this. North Rise. Let's see. Use Forte. Okay, I actually think that Forte is not going to be an option for me. Because there is a company with very similar name to Forte who is a competitor of my employer. So I think that my employer is not going to appreciate that I use something similar to the name of their competitor. Valor. Metal. Use Valor. Let's try use Valor. I don't think that it will work, and it is... I'm just wondering... No, I don't. No, for try Forte, I don't know. Okay, I actually never tried... Where is it? Here. I never tried try Elevate. Okay, it's busy. Try Forte. So for some reason, I don't want to use try. Because, at least in my mind, I know that it works and I saw a lot of startups with try at the start. But in my mind, it symbolizes something like... it's not something good, you should try it, you should maybe consider it, but it's not definitely good, it's maybe good or something. And get might be better, but I also not sure. HQ, maybe, let's see, Elevate HQ, I never tried. Yeah, it is busy, of course it is busy. Okay, well, for the attain. The price. Okay, Rise HQ, and it's going to be busy, but what if? Yes, what about Rise? Who has taken it? .com. All new pad sets. Okay. Here. Attain. Varnish the price. Valor Forte. Okay, let me try previous ones with HQ. Elvio, which one? Ryzen. I tried. Okay, let's try up level HQ. Let's see. Round 2, fresh name ideas. Okay, let's say... Hey, I'm very sad because nothing worked, everything's busy, so come up with new list, please. Okay, we'll let it sync, and now let's go back and double check with Vox Landing. Time saved, so the home calculator now ties hours saved to dollars saved. Nice. Added a second slider, average hourly rate 25 to 100. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see. Result card now stacks to metrics. Section eyebrow is now time saved, salary saved. Okay, sources now. Note now size BLV for as a default found startup in median and line. Okay. Move the shared vox range CSS from. Okay, let's see. By the way, protagonist, how was your last couple of days? Because I didn't see you in a while. And yeah, thank you for joining. I appreciate it. It takes too much time. Do you have it deployed? If yes, send the link. I am interested to see. Okay, then when you're done, when you're deployed, don't forget to send me the link. I would love to see it. Free for you, paid for your company. Okay, I think I actually think that we need to move this. From the home page to for Teams. Per seat, how many seats? So I don't like that it takes a lot of space, vertical space. Number came from, blah blah blah. Okay, box lighting. I really like what you did. The only thing that I am not sure about are two things. So the first thing is that this new block is too big vertically, and basic. Okay. I see that my camera recognized some of kind of my gesture link. Let's see. Okay, or now it's better. Okay, now it's better. Okay, I really like what you did. The only thing I'm not sure about are two things. The first thing is that this new block is too big. This new block seems too big vertically for me. And the second thing would be that maybe we should match this dollar amount to for business, for example, page, or for Teams page that we have. Or maybe we should actually do two different sections of it. So one section on the main page should just tell generally that for one person it is so many hours saved, and then toggle on, not toggle but slider on how many dollars were saved, and the slider that user can move how much they earn per hour. And then for Teams page, their users can select both number of employees plus average hourly rate, and wording there can be more focused on businesses, while wording on the main page should be more focused on regular people and employees, as if they don't load it for themselves. so let's brain dump everything into Cloud Code. Okay, so this one is working. Let's see what other names. Okay, it is okay. It is still syncing. Oh my god. Okay, and do I have Neuro Mind deployed? I also don't remember. Because for Neuro Mind, the fun thing also that I never connected it properly to the database. I just tested everything with local storage. So I think that I need to publish it. Okay, let's see. Vercel, do I have mind? I don't have mind, it seems. So, okay, Vox landing. Okay, add new project. Neuro Mind, okay, it knows. Import. Deploy. Okay, this one is crushed. Okay. Inspect. Lol. Okay, I want just to select everything, give it to Cloud Code, and that's it. Neuro Mind, Vox, Neuro Mind's here. Vox landing, we have this one. Did I? Yes, I committed everything. It's Vox landing, Neuro Mind. And Vox landing. We will move it here. We can PM run dev to confirm. And no. Okay, okay, so I pasted the logs. My build in this application fails on Vercel with these logs. Please check and fix. When I'm doing this, I'm feeling myself very, very lazy. Because just a couple years ago, I would have to look through the logs, understand everything, and fix it manually. But now I just fix it. And I'll meanwhile go drink some coffee. Okay, I don't have coffee and it's quite late for me, so I'll just drink water. Okay, let's see. Let's see the main names. And then the modifier .work .get ardent. Said retired, brokered, something like ardent. Okay, a completely different direction. Aplomb. Ardent, intensely passionate, burning with purpose. Ardent professionals. Feels premium. Astute, fervent, vernal. Okay, thank you. and have a great evening. Invented Okay, what if I look into Thrive? Use. Even use Elevate HQ is taken. It is fun. Dauntless. Intrepid. Onward. Unless. Thrive plus driven. Thrive shine? No. Sunless, moonless. Dauntless. Ichi. Okay, let's look at fixes here. Neuro Mind, blah blah blah. RCF was declared during planning but never imported. Okay, Queen S6, ship a project level and PMRC, so Varsal and local installs. Depends on these settings for any npm install to succeed. React. Isn't next 16 is the latest one? What the heck? Let's see. I don't need documentation, I need just regular npm JS. Next JS. Shoot. Ooh. Can you please update all dependencies, because it's not a good solution for a completely fresh application. So I think that we should either update application, or if we cannot update some libraries, then we should maybe drop them and replace with something else. Okay, let's see. Let's go to chat. Workio. Astute HQ. Sunward moving towards light and worms. Okay, let's try Dauntless. HQ. Okay, wait. Use elevate. What do you think about this one? Or actually elevate HQ maybe. What do you think about one of these two? Let's see, so I basically changed one letter and make the word misspelled. So we will see. Tumblr, Flickr, elevate. The core issue is elevate. As your name, when someone hears you say elevate out loud, their instinct is type elevate. And confusion problems doesn't go away with the suffix. Headache. If you want to proceed, is meaningfully better than the HQ suffix. It's clean, professional. Elevate AO. Okay, elevate. .io. Car. rehearse. Should. Ardent. Your work, your name. Okay, let's see Sunward. Please, 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 let it be free, let it be free. It's not a bad one, it's like okay one, not perfect, but it's okay. Oh, oh come on. Ah. Sunward.com. Elevator. Oh my god. Like I spent almost hour and a half thinking about the main name. That's crazy. Reason. Send HQ. Propel, strive, thrive. Extend this, tell view, up level. Reason. Levanto. Up level it's kinda okay, reason. Is there reason HQ? Okay. Okay. I think it's going to be my choice. What do you think about this one? Okay, and while it's thinking, I'll double check what it says. Audit. Drop gotcha never imported. Next, the peer depth fix. Okay. Primer motion. Okay. Tailwind. Okay. Current ranges. Removed, held back. Like what? I basically bootstrapped this project a week ago and it wasn't even able to make all dependencies latest or stable, whatever. So it used like Tailwind third instead of fourth. Oh, fuck. Okay, we are coding here and yeah, what have I expected? Let's maybe run it. Let's see, Vox, Neuro Mind. Oh, okay, so it's Cloud MD package. Okay, that's fine then. Commit and sync changes. Yeah, I think that Reason HQ is going to be... Now the question is if I want to go with Reason or... Okay. What if Reason and no? Okay, looks like Reason HQ it is. Okay, let's see what do we have here. I committed and pushed Neuro Mind. Yes. Let's now double check then that everything is good on this side. Deployments. This one is ready. Okay, overview. And let's visit. Okay, good. That is very, very good. Very, very good. Free for you, paid for your company. Okay, so it's getting late and I'm honestly getting a little bit lost in my thoughts. So again, visit and it works. This one also works. Try demo. Dashboard, blah blah, okay. Everything works fine. Domain name, your repo. It is going to be Reason HQ. And what it means that I'll name it Reason. Private. Create repo. Copy. File, new window. Clone. Open. Should I want to work more? I want to finish everything, create landing page, combine everything, but I need to sleep. Because I also want to start tomorrow morning and stream tomorrow morning. But to do that, I need to go to bed today properly. And before going to bed, I need to relax. That's kind of my routine, I would say, to drink a tea before going to bed for at least 30 minutes. And yeah, so I moved this to my other screen because I am going to buy Reason HQ. And I don't want to show you my credit card number. So we will see. Use. Okay. So. Okay. Okay. So it is fine. Everything is fine. And I'm buying one more domain name. Oh my god. Literally, oh my god. Buy. Reason HQ is pending, so I can show it to you here. Okay, nice. Your domain is ready and pending namespace propagation. Connect your domain to a project or go back to search to buy more. Yeah, to buy more. Thank you. What is this? Okay, whatever. I will not be able to deploy it, so it will stay for now undeployed. What that means? That means is that tax. Honestly, I think this is our best option yet, and here is why. Yes. What else I wanted to check? Okay, now I want your help with naming my application, which transcribes what I speak and polishes it, and then allows me to paste it into text input field. And basically, my application currently called Vox. And my question to you is if I need to rename it to something like Reason HQ Voice or Reason Voice, or maybe Vox by Reason HQ or Vox by Reason, or what should I do with my application? Or maybe just leave as is named Vox. Okay. Okay, let's see. Clarifying autocorrect confusion while architecting brand naming conventions. I am pretty confident that's autocorrect, yes. So we are on the same page now to your actual question, and this is a genuinely good one about brand architecture. My strong recommendation, keep it as Vox. Vox is a great product name, it is Latin for voice, it's exactly one syllable, it's instantly understood, and it connects perfectly to what the Who the fuck knows that Vox means voice in Latin? Like, then anything descriptive like reason voice would renaming it would throw away something that already works. Okay. The question is really just how you present the relationship between Vox and Reason, and the answer depends on context. In the App Store listing on the product itself, just call it Vox, clean and simple. On the Reason landing page and in marketing materials, refer to it as Vox by Reason. This is the cleanest way to show the family relationships. It's how many well-designed product suits. Okay, anything like okay, the mental model to keep in mind. Reason is your company suit brand like Adobe, and Vox is your first product like Photoshop. Okay, Photoshop doesn't need Adobe in its name to belong to the family. Vox doesn't either. Okay, I'm pumped up. I am very fucking pumped up. Oop. I need to mark as and read one thing, okay. Let's see, so I will go to code, and this part is done, and what that means? That means that I'm starting a new fucking session, and I'm going to new folder, Reason, and I'm going to add Neuro Mind. I'm going to add Vox, and I'm going to add Vox landing, retro pulse, Whisper AI, Okay, I think that for now it would be fine. It's going to go into auto mode, and my limits are good, so it is going to go into CEO mode. My best CEO ever. And it should be very good, so it's going to be Opus 4.7, 1 million context max. Hey Claude, so I want you to use CEO skill in order to design and create basically a landing page for my general brand called Ryzen. This general brand is going to have right now two applications called Mind and Vox. I have also attached them their folder with their code base and their documentation, so you can look into them as these applications. You can also look into their design, and based on all of this, you need to come up with the best landing page possible for my general brand Ryzen. And now for the Ryzen, its purpose is basically to create a suite or ecosystem of applications which are going to help users to find a job if they don't have one, to prepare for the job interview, to polish their resume, to be more productive at work if they already have a job, and also to get promotions easier, get salary increase easier, to help them also map their work achievements to business value, and somewhere in that direction. But for now, only Mind and Vox are almost ready. Everything else that I was talking about, it's not even started yet. So you can add some section like future roadmap or something like that, for example. And you can also add additional stuff based on what I said. Like, remember, you're CEO and you need to make your company great. Spin up agents, spin up research, spin up competitor research to see how others do it, do proper design research, do proper design, do proper PM management agents. You should have also run agents for coding senior software engineers who also make sure that all latest packages and dependencies are installed and not old ones. And then you also need to run software engineer reviewer who will review all the code changes and give feedback, and you should iterate on it. And also for the front-end design, do not forget to use front-end design skill. I believe in you. Thank you. Okay, I pumped up. I found the name. I believe it's going to be great name, great domain name, Ryzen HQ. And I believe that it will help a lot of people find jobs, get salary promotions, be more productive, and hopefully it will earn me some money. Auto mode, Ryzen, Neuro Mind, Vox landing. Let's go! And trust workspace. Okay, meanwhile, I'll also double check Vox landing. I need to move, it's 9:19, okay. A little bit late, but okay. I love this music. I really love this music. Okay, home. Much shorter card. Remove the team slider. Remove the assumptions block. Drop the per day, per week stats grid. The card now has just 3 rows. A 2-column row slider on left, hero result on right, a mass line, and the collapse. Okay, I think that we need to look into it because Vox landing. Okay, here it is. And it is also already running, so let's see. Is it me or something changed? What your hour is worth? 75. Okay. Let's say 50 employees. Average loaded hourly cost. Okay. Salary value of time saved. Times 50. Work weeks, hours back. And it will cost only $5,000. Okay. How many seats? Let's say 50. Calculator. Okay, I want to double check that we don't have any changes here. Box landing page. Okay, so it's the same. Okay. I think that it is completely fine. It's already better than it was before. I think that since we now have this ROI section in for teams page, we can now drop calculator section, because basically ROI section also includes calculator of how much is it going to cost. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Oh, yikes, I'm sleepy. Okay, so this one is working, this one is spinning agent, this one is waiting for me. Okay. I am happy. And on this note, I will be finishing the stream for today because it is quite late. We have 2 agents running, and tomorrow morning we will see what they provided. Thank you and have a good night. Ciao, ciao.